Hey, good morning everyone. It's Matthew again over Convenience Collision. Today we have this beautiful BMW 7 Series that is a complete overhaul, but we are doing areas and getting them into primer so we make a little headway on it. Vehicle has been here for quite some time. Vehicle owner wasn't in too terrible much of a rush. However, we do want to get this vehicle done, get it out of here. So today is just a quick shout out and quick look. This is a E38 BMW 7 Series. Vehicle's done in Alpina. We had to fix a bunch of rust specks that were coming up in the roof. We had to grind them out, fix a bunch of dents, and then do little spot repairs to it. And now I gotta wipe it down, tack it off, and away we go. All right, I'll show you some video afterwards.